Okay, so what's up mga pre? JD Vlog again. May nag-comment sa last video ko, yung si Russell. May pina-search sa akin mga na gustong napapanoorin ko, which is etong yokai sightings sa Japanese ghost siya. And then galing kay Sandbox 10, top 10 scariest yokai sightings. Feeling ko lahat ng Japanese medyo nakakatakot talaga. So panatan na natin to pre. Let's go.
Is there something scary behind you?
Hmm.
These people are about
Una pa lang may sumilip na agad.
scary Japanese videos. Ghosts caught on camera.
Feeling ko nakakatakot to.
Number 10. This is a case of extreme paranormal activity caught on camera.
Okay.
This man lives with many strange happenings around him all the time, so he decided to capture much of the video as proof of what is
Sumilip
going
na
on
agad
in
to.
his apartment. He lives with his girlfriend in a small apartment in Tokyo and doesn't have any idea why it's happening to him.
Gumagalaw na naman. Feeling ko ako nakatira dito, alis na agad ako. Hindi na ako mag-stay dito. Wala akong pakialam sa mga gamit ko, alis na ako biglaan. Grabe yung boses nun. Damit eh. Natatawa ako sa boses. Sorry. May iba akong naisip. Bahala na kayo doon. What the heck? Grabe. Legit ba to? Grabe, legit. Legit ba to? What the heck? Mamimigla to. Hindi. Grabe naman to. Grabe naman yung kay Sandbox 10. Grabe.
They think she is an angry female spirit, look for the revenge, or is unaware that she is dead.
Okay.
Perhaps she used to live in the building in the past and died in a way that prevented her from moving on.
Okay.
So, she wants revenge by tormenting anyone who lives there.
Russell, ang galing mo. Ang galing mo pumili ng video. Thank you.
Number 9.
Nag-enjoy ako.
About to go on a night out when something very strange happened. While inside the car, everyone is happy and talking, not aware about what is about to come at them.
Kaya lang yun, nagulat ako.
We see what looks like a person standing in the middle of the road. He doesn't notice it and continues driving forward until he hits it. They stop and come out to see it.
Grabe talaga sa Japan. No. Grabe naman yung pagpaling.
What is that hiding below the car? It looks like a human face looking up at the camera. In Japan, there exists being called yokai. Many think encounters like these are when normal people and yokai cross paths.
Yokai? Yung cartoon sa tayo na. Grabe. Mhm. May sumilip nga. Ay! Shit! Kitang-kita yung mata niya. Kitang-kita yung mata niya, oh. Ayun, oh. Ayun yung mata niya, oh. Grabe. Uy! Nako. Di na naman ako makakaihi ng madaling araw na ito.
A family of 4 lost their home to a fire. Investigators reported video of
kawawa
the
naman.
remains of the structure of the home when they went back to inspect it and tried to discover the cause of the incident. The camera, however, captured something very unsettling. There in the rubble, we see a ghost human shape. If you listen closely, we hear crying as it comes walking towards the camera. Do you think that this is the ghost of one of the tragic residents?
No way. Wow. Wow. Hindi niya napansin?
Sometimes things happen right in front of your eyes are the things we tend to miss. Pay attention to the woman sitting on the bench as the man talks to his phone. He doesn't
What?
seem to realize that 1 minute she is sitting right there and next she is vanished. It is something easy to miss but very hard to explain.
I'm not sure guys kung edited ba to or legit talaga to na nakakuha ng CCTV. Pero, ewan natin, di ba? Banat.
Number 6. Working late at the office. This woman has an experience no one would like to have happen to them.
Yun lang.
Things go strange very quick as the papers behind her are tossed in the air. She turns around, scared and confused, but we don't see anyone near there.
Hala
That is
ka,
until
hala ka.
she is dragged away by force, kicking and
Hinihila
screaming,
siya.
and nobody is around to help her.
Aha. Oh, saan ka dadalhin yan? Parang ang daldal ko na.
Number 5.
Sorry, ganito kasi ako natatakot eh.
Sometimes you don't know what might be lurking behind you at all times. Sometimes, scary things can be closer than we might think. These people were live on camera when unexpected things happened to them. Strange noises, shadows moving out of the corner or the eye, and even door opening all by themselves. Pay close attention and see for yourself.
Ano yun? Sa salamin? Ay, shit, may tao sa salamin. Ay, multo pala. Ano yun? Multo ba yun? Hindi sila gumagalaw. Wow! Grabe. Balak po naman magbakasyon sa Japan pag nagkapera. Ay, wag na muna siguro. Nasaan?
そんなんやめて怖い
Yamite!
マジでそういうのはね死んだ歌詞の時だけにしてほしいそうだってもう最近は全然死んだ配信もしてないからね見れないでやめてよちょっとそういうの
Oh, ayan na, ayan na. Bubukas na yung pinto.
見れないじゃないの OK
Nakapatras ako, baka may biglang ano, mambibigla na ghost, gano'n.
OK
Ayan na, loko ka. Sumilip pa. Ano na? Ba't di mo pa sara? Lahin ka pa dyan eh.
でしょくねって言われても怖いよ俺の方が。
ね、そうだからさっきリプくれた人結構いるね。やばいね。ぷよぷよ好きですね。ぷよぷよ大好きですね。シングル9月中に出るのかな。
Grabe. Pinapagalaw nila.
If every time you see an ad,
Ah.
you just wanna
Sorry na. Sorry na. May ads muna tayo.
Chrome extension that blocks
Ah, skip muna natin.
Number 4. This girl on the subway is acting strange. Is there something that she knows that we don't? The camera person follows her and keeps recording. Nothing happens at first. For the rest of the video, we don't see anything much either. That is until we see a bigger picture. Look at the reflection in the mirror. Something obviously isn't right. There is an extra person.
Where?
Who is that person and why can we only see their reflection?
Oo nga no.
Number 3. These high school girls don't notice that there's a shadow person looking at them in the background. The camera shows a dark, human-shaped form that comes walking in
Oo
from
nga
left.
yun no.
It stands there, looking at them and lingers for a bit. It eventually moves on but never seemed to notice it. Number 2. A group of friends are about to explore an abandoned building.
Ay sa wakas patapos na din. Sinusumpong na ako ng takot.
They stumble about in the darkness with only their torches for light. Nobody sees anything out of the ordinary and they continue forward on their investigation. The camera, however, caught something
Talagang naka-blurred yung mukha nila eh no. Bakit kaya?
that if they saw with their own eyes, would have reacted very different.
Yun may... Ay kakala ko nakasilip. Akala ko may ano doon. Ulan. Tingnan nyo. Saan yun? Akala ko yun oh. Akala ko yun. Akala ko itong multo. Ay Diyos ko po. Takip lang pala ng bumbilya.
調べによると、ここはかつて広町として栄えた地域であり、この廃墟においても多くの女性が娼婦として働いていたらしい。
What?
なお、当時の風俗店は取り決めが厳しく、
There was a ghostly pale face looking at them from the ceiling.
Oh shoot. Akala ko takip lang ng ano ng bumbilya. Legit
What would you
pala.
have done if you saw this?
Kasi kamukha niya yung isa eh. What?
Number 1. Here we are at the end of the video and we have a very interesting video to close things off with. A couple of people record themselves cooking dinner in the kitchen. In this case, we might expect to see something lurking in the background or a ghostly figure to appear. But what happens is even more scary than that. As the camera pans around the room, they notice that there is a figure of
Ooh.
a person leaning up against the
Shit.
frosted window. Could it have been a stalker or possibly a person trying to break in?
Ano,
The person
nagtitinginan
looks
ba
like
kayo?
he stood there looking at
Mukha siyang madre eh, no? Puti, tapos dito puti, tapos black something dito.
inside of them. The shocking part
I
is
don't
when
know.
the window is opened. There was no
No!
one there.
What the-
Whoever or whatever that was has vanished.
Woo! Paling mo! Oh, pag ano mo ng camera? Ang pusang galano yun, nabigla ako dun. Hindi ko expect yun. Grabe. Bigla ako dun. Nakuha ko nito. Na-stress ako dun ah. Nabigla ako dun sa bata lang. Busit ka, leche ka! Leche ka! Leche ka? Hindi ko expect yun. Grabe. Sabi ko sa'yo, dahan-dahan yung pagpaling ng camera eh. Fudge. Nakakahiya pa tuloy sa mga manonood sa akin.
I hope you enjoyed the list and the videos that we featured. If you have an idea for a video you would like to see us make, tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to give
Yun no. Ang ganda. Ang ganda talaga ng mga Japanese ghost talaga. Yun na mga pre. Pag may mga ano pa kayo, may mga suggestion pa kayo na magagandang video dito sa YouTube, and then ire-reaction video natin yan. And then salamat sa iyo, Russell, sa pag comment ng papanoorin ko. And please like, comment, subscribe mga pre. And yun lang. And salamat sa inyo mga pre. Peace!